Now I want to tell you that if you look in chapter 13, you will find most or all of, to a fair extent, the parables of the kingdom of heaven. Now we're going to explain in video 4 the parable of leaven and dough. Now we go to the first parable, the parable of leaven. And this parable explains what a woman used to create leaven dough, and the recipe she used, and what she can do with it after creating it. Now these same questions can be asked in the kingdom of heaven. How this kingdom of heaven formed? What did God use to create this kingdom? And what did he do with portions of the kingdom of heaven, just like the woman did in producing leaven dough? And the principles in the earthly parable are the same principles used in the creation of the kingdom of heaven. But remember, the substances in the parable are earthly, physical, while the substances in the kingdom of heaven are spiritual. Now the parable of leaven and dough is really to highlight the formation of the kingdom of heaven outside of man. Remember, God said in Genesis, "Let us create heaven and earth." So there was no heaven before God created this heaven, because if there was one, there was no need for God to create two heavens. So, just to highlight your curiosity, where was God if there was no heaven? I am suggesting to you that God was in the heaven of heavens. So therefore, this kingdom of heaven is telling us that God in the heaven of heaven decided to create heaven and earth. And to do that, he had to create heaven first, and then earth, because he had not yet created man. And in the beginning, as I say, God was alone, and he used his substance to create the kingdom of heaven.